Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a poinsettia plant. So these are plants that are often found around Christmas time. You'll see them lots of times in stores. They're really nice, beautiful red leaves, very lovely. Alright, so I'm going to take my marker and I'm going to start by doing a circle. And now in that circle, I'm going to do a pile of little circles. So this is the inside where it's often like yellow. So now I'm going to do the really nice, beautiful red leaves. So we can come on out and do a shape kind of like that. And then another one. We're just going to surround it by leaves. Just fill in all around it with these leaf shapes. And now we're going to get some bigger leaves down here. Okay, now over here I'm going to do another one. So I'm going to do that circle with a pile of little circles inside. And now some leaves. They can be all different sizes. It's all up to you. And I'm going to put one up top here. So I got an oval and we're going to put all kinds of little circles inside. And start with some leaves. And by this point, we got all kinds of leaves already made, so we can start kind of hiding these new leaves in throughout those ones we've already drawn. So maybe they're like underneath some other ones. Okay. So now I'm going to give it some of its green leaves. It has a few green ones down towards the bottom. So I'm going to make these ones a little bit wavy, just so we can kind of tell the difference between what ones are going to be colored red and what ones are going to be colored green. Just a few here and there. Okay, and now I'm going to draw the pot it's going to be in. So we're coming down from the side, these angled lines. And we're going to curve here on the bottom and connect it. All right. So I'm going to get started on coloring. I'm going to start with the yellow color in the middle of the poinsettia plant. So just the yellow. And now our really nice, bright, beautiful red leaves. And now I'm going to take a darker red color and kind of add that to some leaves underneath some other leaves, and just kind of adds for a bit of shadow. You don't have to do this if you don't want to, but I just think it kind of gives the picture a little bit of something extra. Okay, now I'm going to take my green for the leaves. Okay, and now I'm going to use that same yellow that we used for the middle of the plant for the pot color. Alright, so there we go. I hope you enjoyed drawing. I hope you have a really, really good day. And I hope to see you back here for the next Daily Doodle. Alright everyone, bye!